Welcome back to Learn Brizy Cloud and the Starter Kit series. I am JP, and in this video, I'm going to show you a very cool design feature, which is called text masking. Let's take this text that we've brought in earlier and change the font, and I'm going to make it bigger. And one feature you can use when you want to quickly see the size of something, I'll click and hold on the up arrow, and then I'll just drag with my mouse. And you see, it only goes to 100. Unfortunately, major glitch, which they haven't fixed in for ages. Really hope this can be fixed, because I often want to go, especially the design feature I want to use you, to something like 200. It only looks good when it's very big. Go and select the text again, and then we go to the colors, and you will see here the option for a mask. What you basically do is you bring in an image that will mask out the color and give you the background of your text. Click on image. I'll grab this one over here. Let's grab this one over here. Don't use my own face. And look at that. Very nice. And you can drag the selector around if you want something more specific. And this looks a little bit freaky to see hair on a business website, but it gives you the idea of how masking works. So Brizy, please fix this little bump there in the road. Give us more than 100 pixels. Having said that, I found a way to overcome it. So go back, click on the T for typography and select M value. Now I will go and just type in something like 20. Let's make it smaller. Let's make it 10. Select it again. And there you go. So though the pixels have this problem, the other values do not have it. Just to show you again where it is. Go to the text, and then you will see next to size, you have the options of pixels, M, rem, and viewport width.